Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to create a digital signature in Adobe Reader 2025. In this fast-paced world, digital signatures are a must for secure document signing, saving you time and ensuring your files stay protected. Whether you're a professional handling contracts or just someone signing PDFs for school, this guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your device. It's free and can be downloaded from the official Adobe website. Once you're good to go, open your PDF document in Adobe Reader. You'll see a clean interface ready for action. Now, let's dive into the steps. Head to the Tools menu at the top of the screen and select Fill and Sign. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Sign icon. It looks like a pen on paper, and click it to start. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to create a signature. You can draw it using your mouse or touchscreen, upload an image of your handwritten signature, or even type one for a simple text-based option. After creating your signature, position it where you need it on the document. Adjust the size and angle as necessary to make it look just right. Once you're happy, click Apply to add it securely. Adobe Reader uses advanced encryption to keep your signature safe, which is a big win for 2025's heightened security standards. Finally, save your document by going to File and selecting Save As. Double-check your signature by reopening the file. It's that straightforward. Remember, digital signatures add a layer of authenticity, making them legally binding in many cases. There you have it. Creating a digital signature in Adobe Reader is quick and painless. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay digital, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.